Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports Face ID and that the OS is current. This ensures compatibility and security. Open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and follow the on-screen prompts to register your face. Hold the device at eye level and position your face in the frame about 10 to 20 inches from the camera. Rotate your head slowly to complete both enrollment scans. Once done, enable Face ID for iPhone unlock and for password autofill or specific apps to allow app logins. Next, you enable Face ID for individual apps so they can authenticate you without passwords. Go to each app settings or to Safari/settings passwords to permit Face ID autofill. Some banking and secure apps request permission on first launch. Accept that prompt. Make sure the app shows Face ID enabled in its privacy or security section. Test with one non-critical app by locking it and reopening. When prompted, look at the camera and confirm the app logs you in automatically so you understand the workflow. Finally, you verify everything works and learn a key troubleshooting step to avoid lockouts. Use the device throughout the day to let apps adapt to slight appearance changes. If recognition fails often, re-enroll Face ID using a different scan angle. Make sure the true depth camera is clean and unobstructed, and test in normal indoor lighting rather than extreme backlight. If apps still reject Face ID, go to Settings Face ID and Passcode, choose Reset Face ID, then reconfigure. This often resolves persistent authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.